to Review Box. Today we've got a dash cam. It's a FITCAMX make. It's the box. This is specially fitted, or not fitted, the make for my car, which is a BMW F series. So this will go in the BMW F series. It's the inside of the box. Sorry, I didn't show you the outside. It's got writing all over the back, which tells you what's in the box in many languages. And on the side of the box, it's wireless connection, loop recording, G sensor, super wide angle, perfect fit, high dynamic range. It's also got a rear view camera, and it's also 4K HD. Okay. So the actual dash cam. If I take all the bits out to start with. Got no idea what bits are which. Oh, this is the bit that goes where my, I suppose, sensor is. In the middle, up where the mirror is. So that would be the camera. That's the rear view camera. I'm not going to take it out of the bag. There's the camera bit. And all the wires. This is a phone holder. I'm not going to take it out. It's all wrapped up. That you can view the camera on. Then we've got a support card, the user manual, which has got all the QR codes for App Store and Google Play. It says accessories. Nice large box. Yeah, whatever you call that. Can't remember what you call that. That puts, oh, that is for your SD cards. And micro and an SD, I presume. And that's for taking the bits off your car, I presume. Okay. So, going to have fun fitting that. We shall keep you updated on if it fits and how it fits in the car. And maybe do another video on it in the car. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe to Review Box. Bye.